Oscar, buddy, Paul.
Yeah, good boy. You're the protector, the speed key, aren't you, bud? We gotta figure out how this thing works. We're doing 250 miles an hour, dude. My next video might quite possibly be the coolest, most exciting, most monumental video I've ever filmed in the history of my YouTube channel. I know I've said that before, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It involves this key right here. This is the top speed key for my Bugatti Veyron. It unlocks the full potential of the car, 254 miles an hour. I've had the car for 3 weeks. I've never actually used this key. Now at 2:30 today, the truck is going to arrive at the Burlacher's house. We're gonna load the Veyron. We're gonna ship it to a runway. Yes, a runway somewhere in North America. Now, I don't want to say too much without quite saying enough. You can put 2 and 2 together, but in 2 days, when I'm lined up against that hypercar, that mega car, I don't want to embarrass myself. I usually embarrass. I always embarrass. I mean, I'm gonna embarrass myself, but I gotta figure out how this thing works. I realized I just said mega car. We're not racing the Koenigsegg 121, okay? This is not, it doesn't involve the Swedes whatsoever. You could argue, well, I don't want to say too much. I'm going to say too much. Cut. We got to talk about this key a lot more in depth, but the truck is going to be here in 2.5 hours. We have some clerical work to do first. We got to go swap out the Ferrari for the Aventador. This acceleration is for the check engine lights. Go! Oh, jeez. It is slippy in Utah today. It's a cold and dreary day. Oh my goodness, yeah. We should put it into wet mode. Let her wind up and go! Wow. The Aventador just hits on a whole nother level. The car sounds so good. I love this car. If I was hard pressed to pick my favorite car in the entire world, I mean, you might. We have the 4-wheel drive light right there. I have no idea what it means. Kind of sort of a representation of my current times and my future times. The Aventador, I love her, but she breaks a lot. I don't think the door on the Aventador has squeaked in over a year. Brand new 2008 Veyron comes with 3 keys: the top speed key, the normal key, as well as a valet key. Now when I bought my Veyron, unfortunately the valet key was lost, so I only have these 2 keys. The top speed key, this unlocks the full potential from 235 to 255. So you really only need this key for the final 20 miles per hour. But this key, you have to have this key always. To use the top speed key, this key has to be in the ignition. I'd like to replace this key. I reached out to my Bugatti representative. You're never gonna guess what it costs to replace this key. I don't know if I'm laughing or if I'm crying. I know deep down I'm shedding a lot of tears. If I wanna get a duplicate key for my Veyron, first off, it's gonna take Bugatti 2 months to get me this key. So if today I lose this in a storm drain, I can't drive the car for 2 months. It's a Volkswagen key. Like, this is the key from my Lamborghini Gallardo. It's the same thing. Like, it's exactly the same thing. This has fancy blue leather. It's got the Bugatti logo right there. I get there's a Bugatti tax, but like, well, why is it gonna take 2 months to get a replacement? I could go down to the Volkswagen dealer and get one in 3 days for $200. And that's the real kicker. The cost to replace this key, $9,640.02. That doesn't include tax. Bugatti wants to charge me $9,600 for a second key. Like, really? Come on, give me a break. Like, I know some of you guys are gonna be typing away like, maybe you shouldn't buy a car you can't afford. I can afford a $10,000 key, but it's overpriced, boys. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. I know the value of $10,000, and this isn't it. This is just stupid Bugatti tax, and there's a reason the Veyron is depreciating in value, and it's because of dumb things like this. It probably cost Bugatti like, I don't know, 50 bucks to make a second key, but they're gonna charge you $10,000. So Veyron values just keep going down and down and down because of stuff like this. I'm gonna get a second key. I'm gonna spend the $10,000. I have the money to do it, but I also have the platform. And I'm hoping Bugatti sees the value in what I'm saying, because Veyron values going up, that's gonna help Chiron values go up. Like, the whole company's gonna go up and up and up. And it sounds like Bugatti might be sold to Rimac, so if there's any Rimac executives watching today's video, make your keys cheaper. The Veyron is currently sat here in handling mode. We need to engage top speed mode. Now in handling mode, obviously you want maximum downforce, so the wing is up, but for top speed, this thing would act like a parachute, so it's actually gonna drop down. So the top speed key gets inserted in right here. Now I'm gonna step inside the car to actually do this. So right here, you're gonna twist it like that, airbag fault, and then that's not what we wanted. So the wing went down, Why doesn't it say top speed? It should say top speed. Close the door and... Huh. Oh, there it is, top speed. So the top speed mode has been engaged, but unfortunately, when I engage top speed mode, this TPMS sensor sneaks up on us. So I know that Bugattis are smart. There's no way they're gonna let us go top speed with a TPMS sensor. So the tire pressure is very, very important, and that's why we're doing this right now. Tire pressure, I believe, needs to be 43.5 PSI. So one of the tires I'm gonna check all four, and then hopefully that TPMS will go away. And on cue, the truck has arrived to pick up the Bugatti. We have fully initiated top speed mode. You'll see that the wing is hunkered down for maximum airflow. The suspension is dropped as well. The TPMS sensor is on, so one of the tires is slightly off, but the truck, like with all the elevation changes, we're just gonna adjust it at the racetrack and we should be good to go. So low, so close. Are we good? I think we're good. Okay. She's a hefty girl too, and she is girthy as well. One of the widest production cars in the entire world. Well, I'm gonna miss this thing, don't worry though. We're gonna see it in like 2 days. This trailer is amazing though. I really need to get a proper truck, like a diesel truck and a trailer so I can actually tow cars, because the Raptor and the Gladiator are effectively useless. We're good, my heart rate is like through the roof right now. I'm too old for this right now. I just started thinking about how expensive this car is, all the components. The key's $10,000. How much do you think a transmission is? Now the real moment of truth is, how are you gonna get out of the car? Okay, this is actually incredibly impressive. What? He just snaked out of there like it's no big deal. I got a little practice. Yeah, you've done it before. Very, very impressive. And there she goes. We will see you very, very soon. As a wise Frenchman once said, au revoir. Hey, au revoir, that was not bad. Okay, so today's video is not quite over. We're gonna go for a crazy drive in the Aventador because we have a supercar party. Oh, thanks, Henry. You're doing good. Good work. Teach them while they're young. Out of nowhere, we got Rex in the Viper. We got the 720S as well. I don't know, guys. I think a Viper looks pretty good in the driveway. Maybe coming to Burlacher's garage very, very soon. Viper, American Muscle. Yes. All right, Rex's. It's for sale, guys. Like, if you want to buy Rex's Viper, it's for sale for $185,000. Is that right? How do they buy it? Where do they go?
Just reach out to me, man. Instagram.
Oh, okay. Instagram.
Yeah,
right there. Buy it from Rex. Girth Nation, join the club. Are you buying it? I heard it's for sale.
Yeah, I have a spare 300K.
Ooh. Side mounted exhaust. That SVJ looks so good. Oh no! That Performante is gone. That's insane. That car would absolutely destroy my Veyron. And Rex goes, bye-bye. There's fast, and then there's hyper fast, and then there's the 720S. Oh my gosh! Ow! That is so crazy. It's just popping. And go. It's not as fast as the Bugatti, but it sure sounds way more. Turbo hurricane. Oh, check this out. That's another SVJ. Where'd that come from? That is sick. Oh, great. The Aventador clutch is done for. It is shuddering like crazy. It is slipping like crazy. We're not going to make it home.
Even in this drive alone, the degradation.
The degradation. Spell that, D-E, okay, never mind, we don't want to spell that. So I'd reckon the over-under we make it home is significantly lower than I was thinking. The clutch on this car is absolute garbage. We thought the overheating was going to be the problem. This car's just falling apart. Burlacher can't get out either, so I'm going to go help him. We've been to this house before, but we've never been to this house quite like today. Check this out. there are supercars as far as you can see. I would reckon this is the biggest collection of exotic supercars in the entire state of Utah. We have 17 Lambos here. Check this out. This house is so epic. You got the Diablo right there, all the Lambos, Aventador right there that's broken, that's mine right there. The landscaping here is second to none. Check this out. He's got multiple waterfalls. I wish I could have a waterfall in my house, but I can't afford it. It's so, okay, we're getting wet. We're good. The first time we came to this house was like 3 years ago. We had 5 cars, and check this out right here. I had my Camel Gallardo with a ski box way back in the day, pre-twin turbo, and now we have this collection of cars. You guys might recognize this Ford GT. It's kind of sort of changed. Patrick is getting ready to wrap the car. I cannot wait to see what he does. Check this out though, it's just Skittle heaven here in the beautiful state of Utah. This is just an idea, this is purely an idea, but imagine my Bugatti Veyron. The front half is purple and it fades into white. That would be pretty cool. I gotta talk to Brad because obviously I don't want to steal his design. Say that again, bro. What did you just say?
Why aren't the Porsches up here? Why?
It's Lambo Day, bro. It's always Lambo Day. V12's
Yeah,
are
but
life.
this is Ish's party.
I know. He does, a new turbo. Shout out to Ish, Porsche Driver 801. So what was it, 3 years ago, we had 5 cars here. Myself, you, John, the yellow FF, and now look at us. Look at you. This is all you, bro. Rex, that's what I'm doing. It's the best in the business. Condition. I'd like to apologize to that house right there. The neighbors aren't going to be happy. Dude, are you kidding It's me? Happening. Somebody needs to buy Rex's Viper. Imagine that in roadster form.
I need one of those.
You do?
Yes.
Yep. The V12 Army is only growing, boys. Ask that question again, Stefan.
Why does your car throw bigger flames than that one?
It's just my
and
secret.
don't say driver
It's my
mod,
secret.
That's
no, that's what it is. I just got this skill. I got this ability, boys. Hey, my secret.
I knew I
got my secret. The VT Roadster. So it's a convertible. This piece right here, you can actually mount it back there and go full Roadster style in 1998. But also check out this Aventador S. Wait for it. White Wheel Nation. This car is almost triple white. White wheels, white exterior with the white piping. That spec is so sick. I don't know what it is about white wheels, boys. They just look so clean. We got the Mercy Roadster, the Mercy Coupe, and the Performante Spider. It's just too many launch controls and too many full sends. It was kind of sort of inevitable. You just never know when the last acceleration is gonna be. That was fun. I gotta give another shout out to my boy Ishmael, Porsche Driver 801. That event was absolutely amazing. The Aventador is dying a very slow death though. The clutch is gonna be need to replace very soon. We had the overheating issues, lots of things going on with that car, but in front of me, behind you guys, is Nick's Raptor. The wrap is amazing. Clayton and Faith killed it, Summit Auto Lab. It looks so incredible. If you've not seen this video, go check it out, link below. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. Oh wait, tomorrow, no, yeah, 2 days. 2 days we're going to the runway, so stay tuned. Just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.